Check it out, guys. I just picked up this Honda Aero 50. I think it's 1984. And we're gonna see if we can get this thing running. So I'll show you guys a better look at it once I get home. Okay, check it out, guys. Here it is. Just gonna do a quick walk around. So this is a 1984. I think they made this model in 84 and 83. They made the Aero in other years, but see how this has got kind of this big dash right there. The other models don't have that look to it. Unfortunately, it's missing that side panel back there. I think I might be able to find one on eBay though. So that would be sweet because it's in pretty good condition. Other than that, I think that's the only thing that's missing. But yeah, low mileage, only 1,100 miles. The guy I got it from said that he used to ride this thing all around before he went to college, and then after college it's just been sitting since. So let's check when it was last running. Oh, it's got 2019 tags. So but yeah, he said it hasn't been running in probably 4 to 5 years. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing running. I think first up we will check to see if it has spark, and then we'll get down in here, and it's probably gonna need a carburetor clean. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get this side panel off. Looks like we just gotta zip these off. Boom, and we're in. Let's get that spark plug out quick. Looks kind of wet, but not too bad. Oh yeah, we got good spark. So yeah, all we need now is to get this carburetor off and get that cleaned up, and then this thing should fire right up. Check it out. So I got the carb off. It doesn't look too bad actually, but I'm gonna get all the jets out of it and clean it really well, and then we'll get it back on the bike and see if this thing fires up. Well, this thing definitely needed a carb clean. You can see that's some pretty nasty stuff in there, and this emulsion tube is all clogged up, so there's no way this thing would have ran as is. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up quick. This is my favorite stuff for getting these carbs cleaned up. It works really well, so be back in a second. Might as well get this battery out quick and get it on the charger, see if we can bring it back to life. Doesn't look like too old of a battery. Maybe we get lucky and this thing will hold a charge. Now that looks a little bit better. Nice and clean, ready to go. Okay, we got the carb back on. I just want to point out a couple things. First off, this is your bi-starter. It's a electric choke, and these tend to go bad. I've never had very good luck with them. I tend to usually remove them and then just cap them off with like a rubber glove. This one's a little bit different since it's threaded, but same principle. You can check out my other scooter videos and I show how I do that. Secondly, this is a oil injected bike, so the oil mixes itself in with the gas, and you can see it runs down from right here, goes into a little pump down here, and then that shoots into the carb. Usually I will put a bolt in this line, and then there just won't be any oil running through the system, and then I'll just pre-mix my gas. Now, this being a low mileage bike, I think I'm just gonna run with it and we'll check to make sure it's pumping once we get it running. So let's see if this thing fires up. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of 2-stroke oil, just so that it has a little bit extra lubrication, just in case that pump's not working. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. What I'm gonna do is put my hand over the back of the carb and kick it a couple times, and then once I get gas on my hand, then I'll know that the system's got gas in it, and it's just a way to choke it when you freshly rebuild the carb. Just like that. Boom! Got this thing running. It smokes a little bit, but headlight works and everything. Sweet. Okay, let's see if this thing starts back up. Wow, look at that. First kick. So I have the idle set pretty good, I think. The air mixture screw is like 1.5 out. That's about perfect. And this thing seems to be running good. So now we just want to make sure the oil injection is working. So I'm gonna pop this off. And that just caused a vacuum leak, but we should see oil pumping out of this. Yep. Yep. So you can see that's working. When you give it throttle, it's got this little junction right here. So one pulls on the oil injector and the other pulls on the throttle. So that's kind of how that works. First drive, let's hit it. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Got this thing running good. Super fun little scooter. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I just want to show you guys a quick comparison of the two Honda Aero 50s. The red one is at 87 and the blue one's at 84. And so you can see they made some changes. The newer one, the red one, is a little bit bigger, seems a little bit heavier. You can see they changed the turn signals. It's kind of the same style, but it's just the red one's a little bit bigger. Honestly, I kind of like the feel of the 84, this blue one. It's lighter and seems like it accelerates a little bit better. But yeah, they kept like the same style, and you can see the compartment is locked on that one. This one's just kind of open. But yeah, pretty fun little bikes. They changed the speedometer. This is kind of cool how it shows everything, and it's kind of box shaped. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you guys on the next one.